Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review and comparison about these two platforms, which is Passpack and Sticky Password. So I'm going to create a quick overview, the strength and the weakness about these two platforms. So to get started with the overview, Passpack is a web-based password manager focused on secure online access with features like team sharing, two-factor authentication, and encryption. It's also designed more for collaborative environment. Also, on the other side, Sticky Password is a veteran password manager that offers both cloud and local only Wi-Fi sync option, making a favorite for privacy conscious users and those looking for a one-time lifetime license. Now talking about the strength and the weakness of Passpack, it comes with a wide difference option for strength and the weakness. I'm going to review and analyze the strength and the weakness of Passpack. So talking about the strength of Passpack, it has a web-based access with a team sharing and role control. It is strong for encryption with 2FA support and no software installation required. Talking about this, the weakness of this platform, the interface is out of date and compared to modern competitors, development and updates have been slow, especially on this Passpack password, and also the native mobile app on desktop, which is not really encouraging. Now talking about Sticky Password with the strength and the weakness of this platform. So talking about the strength, the local Wi-Fi sync and offline mode available, which is part of the strength of this platform. And also it is lightweight with support for all major platforms. Also offer a lifetime license with no subscription needed. Talking about the weakness, interface feels dated and the limited advanced features like breaches monitoring and not ideal for teams or large organization. Thanks.